Hey guys, how you doing? This is Juan with Liberty Graphic Designs, and today we're gonna do an unboxing on a rotary heat press. So don't go anywhere. We're gonna be breaking this box apart, okay? For those of you that follow me, you already know that we do a lot of cut and sew and full sublimation, or what people call them 3D shirts. And we're bottlenecking when it comes to do the actual printing onto the fabric itself. So we got a roller heat press, and that's what we're gonna be doing. Today we're just gonna be doing an unboxing. We're not gonna try the machine, we're not gonna power it on. I don't even know if it has a plug. More than likely I'm gonna have to do that myself. And but yeah, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Let me go get some tools so we can start breaking this apart, okay? Throughout the video, however, if you happen to see that I skip parts of the video, is because more than likely the name brand or the company's name is gonna appear, and I don't wanna give props to that company because I don't know. I'll explain throughout the whole thing, okay? So it's not the best experience. I'm buying this machine from this company. So I'm just saying that just in case if you guys see me skipping from one, whatever, you'll see what I'm talking about. So let me get some tools so we can open this box. Okay, so I got a claw and a hammer, and I'm just gonna start taking everything off. And the reason why I said that I wasn't going to talk about the company, again guys, I'm not going to be recommending this machine to anybody because of the company itself. They're kind of shady, so yeah, I really didn't like them. After I paid for the machine, they didn't want to respond to my text. They told me the machine was gonna be here in 3 days. That didn't happen. I actually had to go pick up the machine myself in Laredo, Texas, which is a 5-hour drive from my house, from me. So I had to go pick it up myself. It took me an entire day to do that. And now the company, I guess they don't want to refund me for the freight because they charged me $550 to ship this, and they're not responding to, you know, them refunding my shipping cost or the freight. That's why I said I'm not gonna recommend this company like I normally do. Just in case if you guys ask me where I got it from, I can still tell you where I got it from, but I'm not gonna recommend it because I don't want you to go through what I'm going through right now. I don't want you to experience that. And the company probably is a good company. It's just that the dude that I'm dealing with is not, let's just say he's shady. Or he's being shady. You know, they have this little deals right there so you don't tilt the box more than 30 degrees. That's pretty cool. I thought this was really nice. It has a little deal in there. So if you drop, I guess if you drop the box, that will break. Well, you can see it's still intact. For those of you that don't follow me, or that you haven't seen this channel, I work from home. This is my garage. I built the garage specifically for my business. We used to have 2 shops. Closed one and then we closed the second one, and we moved to the house. We've been here at the house for about 7 years, and it's actually worked for us better than when we used to have our shop. Okay, so this panel is off. You can take it outside. Let's hope it's got casters, because my machine is heavy. Oh, it does have casters, which is really good. I'm so sorry the camera died on me, or the battery died on me, but I got the box, you know, completely taken apart. The machine is out of the box. Let me show you. So now we're gonna do the unwrapping. We did the unboxing, now we're gonna do the unwrapping. So let me show you the machine. So check it out. Isn't that the most beautiful heat press you ever seen? Well, it's in the wrapping seal, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut all that plastic. But I just wanted you to see that. There's my Count 5 laser. Happily working. Amazing machine. So now let's take this plastic out of the machine, or the machine out of the plastic. I'm sorry guys, I apologize. I'm sweating like all my fat is leaving me. You know, usually machines like this, they usually wrap them in the saran wrap thing. This one's actually plastic. It looks like, feels like 6 mil. There you go. This is what a lot of people like to do. They like to do the actual unwrapping. And this plastic goes all the way around the machine. And the casters and this machine, they work really good. Watch. It moves very, very easy. I did notice that there's some bolts loose. Yeah, I have no idea what these bolts are for, but I found them at the bottom of the crate. So far I found 3, and I have no idea where those bolts are going to, because they did not go to the actual crate. So yeah, I'm gonna have to check and see where these 3 bolts. They don't look like like they were used, because they look brand new. I don't think they came off the machine. They probably came out of this box right here. More plastic. Again, this is not cheap plastic. They actually put some thick plastic. So again, today was just the unboxing. Unboxing / unwrapping. Let me see what else is in here. I don't see a cord. I don't see anything coming out of the machine. So more than likely I'm gonna have to wire this machine. Let's see what's in this box. It's pretty tight. Not only tight, it's pretty heavy. Oh, you know what's in this box? I just remember there's a small table that goes right here to where you start, when it's, you know, the paper is rolling in, you can put in your fabric. So that's probably what it is, because that box is pretty heavy. But we're still gonna check and see what's in there. Yep, that's exactly what it is. Actually, the table's in the back, like the actual table. This is all the rollers. I'm actually excited. This box is heavy. Okay, so let me show you real quick. There's all the mechanism. There's a motor, obviously. Gears and stuff. Machine itself. That you see right there, that black thing, that's the actual roller. Supposed to be oil fill. That's the box that you already saw me opening with the rest of these rollers. And then over here, you're gonna find the electrical. Sorry, the lighting is not the best. But if you notice, there's not an actual cable going out for the to plug it in. So I'm gonna have to do that myself. This is a 220 single phase. Here's our safety switch. Here's a control panel, which I am not familiar with yet. So again, we're gonna have to read all the instructions, see how that works. But first I have to put the entire machine together. We did the unboxing and the unwrapping, which is pretty cool. I am tired. I have a lot of work to do. I wanted to get this machine out of the box because I need to move some stuff in here. I need to make some shirts, and that big old wooden box was in the way. But again, this is it for the video. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked it, please hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. The next video is going to be me putting the machine together, and third video will be, you know, trying it and running it for the first time. So, but for now, this is it. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I'm excited. Today is Wednesday, like the 21st, February the 21st. Honestly, I don't even know what date it is. I know it's Wednesday, but I don't know what the date is. Today's Wednesday, so hopefully by Friday we'll have this baby up and running. We have a lot of work. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. It was a pleasure like always. God bless you, and I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Adios.